everyone, my name is Kiran and today this is my first vlog. I live in California in the USA and I go to Islamic school, Al-Huda Islamic School till 8th grade, and I love my teachers too. And I just like every channel gets support. Can you give me support too? Give me like, subscribe, and I will show you many beautiful places in California and USA. Yeah. Okay guys, look at these yummy grapes who are getting ready for me to eat. Okay guys, so these are my lemon tree with beautiful yummy. Okay guys, look at these delicious lemons, which are usually good in lemonade because I don't like eating lemon by itself. It's way too sour. Only if I add some sugar, it might be good. Yes, it did. Sorry guys. Look guys, these tomatoes look so yummy. That one's almost ripe, and look at that mini one right there. It's not that ripe yet. It's only yellow. But that one's gonna be ready in like about 2 days, and I'm going to pick it. And we're going to